Okay, we are in the process of actually, earlier on I was telling you about a bridge that we're putting in.
There's the bridge.
Bob's got the bridge right there. And what are you going to do, Bob, here?
We're going to cut on this dotted line here and actually make a little shelf area here so that the bridge can sit on that.
Fit right in there.
Yeah, and we're just going to cut this.
But you're going right through.
Yeah.
There, and you already took the track. You cut the track already?
Yeah. And this side's already loose.
Okay. Now you're
And
going to do that side.
yeah, go ahead and do it.
Sure.
Okay.
How about that?
Bridge is out.
And then what you're going to do is what? Build
We'll-
a.
Then we'll take that piece out there, and we're gonna fit this thing into here, and then we'll have a clearance right there. Actually, it doesn't really have to go down any.
So, and you're going to put something underneath it to make it stay up there.
Um,
Support.
I don't know. Is this? You think we need a support underneath here or not?
No, that bridge is not, is designed to be
Okay,
self-supporting.
it's pretty much supposed to be full strength the way it
We're gonna have
is.
a road under there.
Yeah. So
So in other words, you're going to just to being the tracks connected is going to be strong enough to hold the thing up
yeah,
without any support under the bridge.
right.
Okay.
And then our road will go right underneath
And our road
that.
will go
so-
right underneath it. All right. Sounds good. Walter, what are you going to be? What are you working on?
Soldering the LEDs. For,
Oh, LEDs over on the switch motors.
yeah, making them up.
And look at that.
Put a little resistor in.
And that's what's going to be turned on the red and green lights. And what they do eventually, what they'll look like, of course, is like, you know, our lights here. I've shown those, I think, last video we did.
Instead of going
He's wiring them up.
home right here to see the tracks at that level. We can't go down any further, otherwise there'll be a footbridge there.
Cool.
Dock it up underneath there or something.
And those are gonna be going over in that area over there.
Well, cut it back to base.
And on this area here, what we're gonna be doing is, those are rock, those are, can't really see it, but these are like rocks embedded into this, like
Concrete.
sort of like a plaster Paris, but it's not.
Wings.
And
You can have
we're starting to tape off the track,
piece of
as you can
concrete
see.
on either side of that, all the way down to your.
And then eventually what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be covering
and have those
that
wings on it like you
with
would normally see going under a train.
kind of a
going
dark
along that
color.
That could rest on there, so that could be your height.
Can't really see it here, but you'll see it when we start putting it on
So
there.
just cut away that.
But we're trying to protect the track, and then, anyway,
That sits all the way down.
that will work out really well, and we'll see how it turns out as we
Build your,
work our way through this
concrete
thing.
pieces and then attach it to the end there, and you can raise.
So that's
it.
what we got, three things
Just go
going,
ahead and cut
the
that
bridge over there,
track.
Yeah, so that sets all the way
painting the
down.
rocks
And
over
then let it
here,
just suspend that
and
way.
Walter's doing the wiring over there.
Okay.
I think that.
Actually, Walter was an electrician,
Yeah.
But I think-
always
I
good
think
to have
you
somebody
take
on
some
board
of
with that.
part.
and you probably can't
You didn't
tell
have to
too
shave
much,
it
but
off the
that right
top,
there,
'cause it's still-
after
still
the
a little
last one,
high.
we really didn't have it painted, now we got
Well,
it pretty
some
well
It'd be easy
matching,
just to go ahead and-
See,
especially
the
when it
bridge
dries, it'll
fits.
match pretty darn good with what
Oh,
we
At
got.
that
okay.
level.
Okay, now we actually got it pretty well, at least the bottom part is taped down, gotta still do the top, but
What, how much was
kinda
it?
gives you an idea of what Jim is doing here.
They had a sale special.
There
I
it
just have,
is.
You know, like you walk in, they got the aisle.
The
and-
plan is right now, Jim, is you're gonna actually put that coat on there, and then we're gonna come back and you're
Yeah,
gonna
this
redo
one
it some
feels
other
good in the
colors,
pan,
you know,
too.
and start,
The
Well, we
other-
kinda
the
match up with
Dremel
this
one
then.
Try to
was
match
kinda
that, yeah.
A little fat, just the way that they designed the
it's amazing.
motor.
And then
that.
each rock, we'll
So-
come back and we'll actually
Okay.
bring out the rock in
You
each
know
one.
those,
So,
Walt,
anyway, I guess I better
there's
get
those
to work here.
pliers in.
Here we
There's
go.
a ball peen hammer.
Okay, that should work.
You got a ball team, yeah, there you go.
I got a ball peen
I don't know if you
here.
can see here, but the bridge is in place. You see underneath it, it goes underneath there.
Mm-hmm. I'll get.
Gonna put some nails in there,
Okay.
and we got
That's
ourselves a
secured.
bridge.
Okay.
Oh, that worked out
Welcome
really
to it.
well, didn't it? Huh?
It did. It
That
did.
worked out well. That is one nice little tool right there, that's for sure. And you can see over there, where Jim's at, we're in the process of painting that spot. Let's get a little closer. Here we are. We're covering this with
Yeah,
this.
you need more lights here, Bob.
Yeah, I need light everywhere. Anyway, there's the paint that we're putting on there. And eventually we're gonna go over when it gets a little dried here, and then we're gonna go over with various types of colors that eventually will look pretty much something like that. There you go.
Is the vacuum?
That bridge
Yeah,
from this
there it
angle with
is.
the light is better.
Here, I'll put a
Before
little
you
light
got
on
a
it.
shadow, yeah. Nice. Nice. See how it's rusted? Bob made that look rusted. In fact, there was letters on there, and he sprayed it and
No,
redid
I just
it.
hand
and,
brushed it.
brushed it and put some
This with
rusty
some
rust
silver paint and
look on it. Pretty cool.
Eight.
Go ahead. What are you going to
Okay.
do with this now?
this piece that we used that was going across this section where we cut out.
Uh huh.
We're gonna just slip it right in here, and it becomes the road. But we'll have to make sure that it doesn't go down too far.
So in other words, that you're going to
Put
use
another-
that and put it
another
underneath
extension
there,
there.
and because
We're
our
looking
road is
for-
actually going to go
Do it.
underneath and go
Underneath
straight
there, yeah.
across over there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bob,
that's a good idea.
So,
open up the side.
so let's see if I can.
Thursday, went over, we put another extension.
Okay, we're taking a helicopter ride from up above. Yes,
Bye-bye. Here.
Yeah.
Here.
and here's what it looks like from above. We're just kind of, let's zoom in. I don't know if we can zoom in.
No.
Don't push down on that block, 'cause I just got that glue down, it's not screwed under there.
Okay. Anyway, there's the aerial shot.